Hello to all teachers. In today's video I will show you on how to sign in using the account of your student. There are 4 easy steps. First, we need to download the Teams application from Play Store. I have already downloaded the application. After downloading, open the application. The third step is to sign in using the password assigned. Inform the learner to change the password after the first login. The last step is to assign a phone number and email for recovery purposes in case the learner forget her password. Microsoft Teams is a proprietary business communication platform developed by Microsoft. As part of the Microsoft 365 family of products, Teams primarily competes with the similar service Slack, offering workspace chat and video conferencing, file storage, and application integration. Microsoft Teams is a persistent chat-based collaboration platform complete with document sharing, online meetings, and many more extremely useful features for business communications. Having an excellent team space is key to being able to make creative decisions and communicate with one another. Thank you for watching.